Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how anybody can get a German IP address. Now an IP address is the Internet Protocol address that sits below the thing that makes the internet work, TCP/IP, and basically everybody's got an IP address if you want to go online. Now normally this is assigned to you by the way you connect to the internet. So if I'm in the UK, I'll have a British IP address. If you connect from Germany, you'll get a German IP address. The US, you'll get an American IP address, and so on. We can demonstrate that here by looking at a little site called GPS coordinates. There's loads of these what's my IP, where am I located type sites. Basically it looks up your location based on your IP address, and you can see here this got me listed in Manchester in England. Now it's not quite accurate, but it's got the country right. So it's basically looked up and seen I've got a UK IP address. Now, why does this matter? Well, there is a problem really, because a lot of websites use this IP address to customize your environment, but also block access to a lot of content. So let me just go now to a German TV site called ARD. And if I try and watch a German TV program, you can see here I'm getting this message here that basically I am not in Deutschland, therefore I cannot watch the TV stream. It's due to rights issues. Now, just about every country in the world, their TV companies do exactly the same. The UK, the BBC will only let you watch if you've got a British IP address, and US sites will only let US citizens watch. And it's all based on your IP address. So how can I watch ARD and how can I get a German IP address? I'll show you now. Let me just close this down and I'll demonstrate how easy it is. Okay, you can do this by using something called a VPN, which is a virtual private network. It's basically a security system to keep your internet connection private. It creates an encrypted tunnel between you and the VPN server. Here's the software. I've got it installed on my computer, my tablet, and my phone. And the subscription for this one gives you access to VPN servers all over the world. So if you can imagine, it just creates a very high security encrypted private tunnel between your computer or device, your phone or whatever, and the VPN server. The advantage is nobody can see websites you're visiting. Your ISP hasn't got a list of everything you do online. Stops your data being intercepted. It's especially important if you're using unknown Wi-Fi connections out and about, the connect passwords and stuff like that. So it's got a big security thing, but it's also got a huge advantage that you can effectively change your IP address. As I say, now I've got a British IP address you've just seen. But if I connect to a German VPN server, as I am doing now, hopefully you can see on the screen, I'm connecting to a German server, VPN server. Any website or any application I use online will only see the IP address of the VPN server. So effectively, I can pick whichever country I want. You can see there's VPN servers all over the world. This is the absolute cheapest bog standard VPN service from a company called NordVPN, who are the biggest VPN provider in the world. If you want to try NordVPN, use my discount link below. You'll get the cheapest price going. The price does change quite regularly, but that's the best discount at the way, and that link will give you the best discount. Okay, so we're connected to Germany. Let me just minimize that, and now let's see what effect this has. So I've got a German IP address. Okay, well let's just refresh this screen, the GPS site that's determining my location. It says, hang on, you're not in Manchester anymore, and it's what it's done. It's seen that I've now got a German IP address. You can see here. And it's all working perfectly. So there's my German IP address, and I'm in Hamburg. Okay, let me just show you now what happens when I go to ARD. If you remember, we went to this ARD, the German TV site, and if I tried to watch anything, I got that little message. This time it's seen the German IP address, says, he's in Hamburg. That's fine. He can watch whatever he likes. And you can see it just there. Okay, so I'll pause that now. So I don't want to get a copyright strike from YouTube, but while I've got a German IP address, all the German TV stations will work. Of course, other country sites won't, because I'll be outside the UK, for instance. I won't be able to watch the BBC. But I can effectively change country at will. I just go into NordVPN, double-click on another country, and that's fine. And that's all there is to it. Basically, that's how you get a German IP address. And as soon as I disconnect, I'll go back to the IP address that I had originally. So I just disconnect there. I will then go back to my native IP address, if you like, and this will no longer work anymore. But it's quite easy to use. It doesn't cost a lot. There are other VPN services. Have a look around there as well. But NordVPN's pretty cheap and works very effectively. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye for now.